Dumelana Fshini, hi, welcome to Do Me Seat. Elishisa Bell ngafuna ukuthi uphuze ujahile kodwa lifuna ukuthi uphuze uhleli phansi ngoba uzosha. Let's get into the video. Le gaqa engiza nazo, it's all allegedly. It's all alleged. There's no facts into what I'm talking about, but it's something that I saw and I was like, yo, nami ngijump up phezulu story, because why not? I mean, why must I not alert other people with khona into enzayo, you know? Allegedly, has been scamming people and the money goes to Thuto Maphala's account or card. Yes, uThuto Maphala lo simbukelayo lo wama luxurious vlogs lo simthandayo umngani kaQoli Qabasho ukuthi bahlangana kanjani angazi, because there's not much detail into what is actually happening. The only thing that I know is the fact that posted on IG stories and on her post, and she mentioned the fact that she's looking for South African girls. She did not specify the age, I'm not quite sure, but she said she's looking for amantombazana wasemzansi abame anyway, like amnanda ukuthi ume njenge Oros noma ume njenge Pierre noma we hourglass. Nah, she was not any body types. That was the post specifying ukuthi yazini mangabe nje uzimele njengami or ume ngathi uchayise itraka or ume kanjani nje woza siyakwamukela nawe kodwa kumele ube muhle. She specified that you must be pretty. So abafana nami nje they do not qualify, because nambe nje uthi nayi ipost nayi into iza, let me apply. But unfortunately she said no, you must look pretty, you must be IG pretty. She did not mention the type of pretty that she wanted, but as you know nje lapha bafuna plain Jane, bafuna the pretty that when you look at that Instagram pretty, that pretty that makes you go crazy. That was the pretty that they were looking for, that Thuto Maphala pretty. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it. You get. And apparently the girls are going to be working overseas. I mean, I'm a beauty privilege. Why would you not want to apply? Because I mean, you'll be working overseas and it's an all expense trip, and you will keep a lot or but the salaries will be discussed. Ukuthi uyothola mali mtakabawo so uzozwa phambili nje uthi uzathi uyafika bathi hayi sizokunika 100 rand uma uthi uyaqhabanga ukuthi yo ngigijime kangaka ngayitshela ukuthi nje ngiyophuma nge1,000,000 kanti unfortunately ngiyophuma nje nemali encane. But as you know, izinto ezikanje, obviously the bag is going to be a little bit fatter, and with the serious economy, with the unemployment rate, I mean every girl would jump to that idea, would jump to get a job like that. I mean, you're just being pretty, you're saying the clubbing, ukuthi uyenzani clubbing, wazibona laba bahamba ama club asebusuku kuyenzakalani uthini udaba. But I mean now mdala, obviously if you're going to apply for such job now, kumele usebenzise ingqondo ubone ukuthi yazi la, it's either I'm going to be doing this, it's either I'm going to be entertaining men as a host or whatever they call it these days. Kodwa uyazi ukuthi nje entertainment kumele uyiphathe mtakabawo ebhekini, wazi ukuthi bebengathi yenza lokho, you must be prepared, because it's into zamahala ziyakhostana. Don't think ukuthi into mayibhale mahala angeke bakhoste, uyobhadalela lo mahala ukuthi usuke eSouth Africa uzofike ngale. Waze washo kamnandi umntwana abantu wathi if you are interested please make sure ukuthi niyamu DM lapha nimtshela ukuthi si interested, so that they can vet you and see ukuthi you qualify to their standard, because ungaba muhle mara ukuthi standard asithi qhaqa asivumi ukuthi wena bangahamba nawe by overseas. That was the only thing that I saw being posted. So ukuthi baba extorta kanjani, I hope I said the word right, extorta kanjani or baba scam kanjani abantu angazi. Are they scamming men using pictures wabantombazana, or is it credit card scams? Angazi yazini, but into engiyazi ukuthi bathi uyascama, and allegedly indaba nje ehlangene noEnomorulungu, allegedly Thuto Maphala's account, allegedly yaka FNB, into ezinjalo. And people are wondering ukuthi uhlangana njani uThuto Maphala no I mean into zasebusuku angeke uzumelana uzosibuza ukuthi bahlangana njani ngoba nje nasi nje we are puzzled just like you all are ukuthi kenzakala kanjani. There hasn't been any comment from any of them. Sesingene nje ukuzwa ukuthi kuthiwani kuyaqala. And I remember when I saw that post because ngisho ngiyamfollow, you know, because I love the vibe. I remember one of our male South African celeb, which I do not want to mention the name of because of izinto zamakhosi lama celebrities azakuyise khothe mina ubawu andinalutho. And he mentioned the fact that are we as South Africans going to turn a blind eye into human trafficking ngoba niyayibona ukuthi this is broad daylight human trafficking. And I saw some few celebrities, they shared and commented ukuthi yeah but yeah just shame azangathola traction bekayifuna that male celeb, you know. And ukuthi manje nje sekuyavela ukuthi hayibo uyaskemiwa. There's not much information but immediately mangithola the full story ukuthi kahle kahle baskema kanjani, then so worry I'ma make sure ukuthi ngiyani update